Bonjour mes étudiants 8th standard, welcome you all to this new video. So we are in lesson 10 encore une lettre de Rouen. So from this lesson we have been seeing this translation, French passage and French passage based exercise, and we have finished few grammar exercise also. So in today's video we are going to see 4 exercises that I have also covered in live class. That is these 4 exercises. I'm just going to do a short recap. Exercise number 4, 5, 6 and 7. So all these 4 exercises I'm going to do a short recap, and we will have an online test on this. So let us just kindly observe. I request you to have a pencil with you while I go through this. Okay. So first exercise is exercise number 4, compléter avec l'adjectif possessive. So you all guys know what is l'adjectif possessive. So it is mon, ma, mes, ton, ta, tes, son, sa, c'est, notre, nos, votre, vos, leur. So from these adjective possessive, according to the sentence given, we have to substitute. So let us see what is the first adjective possessive that we have to use. Le corbeau ouvre dash bec. Okay, le corbeau is third person singular. Le corbeau ouvre dash bec. So if you see here, le corbeau is third person singular, so you have to use son, sa, c'est. So bec, since it is masculine, you have to use son. Le corbeau ouvre son bec. Okay. Les étudiants font dash travail. Les étudiants font dash travail. So les étudiants is third person plural. So les étudiants font leur travail. L-E-U-R. So I want you to take down and write it, because you will have an online test on this. Next, third one. Dash grands-parents habitent à côté d'Azur. So this one is very simple. You can use any of this. Mes grands-parents, tes grands-parents, ses grands-parents. Why? Because it is third person plural, as well as the fill up is on the beginning of the sentence. But there is another clue, habite. Okay, so it is third person plural. So you can from this conjugation you can just guess it. Either it could be leur, L-E-U-R, leur grands-parents, L-E-U-R-S, leur grands-parents habitent à côté d'Azar. Even if you put mes grands-parents, it's not wrong, it's also correct. So this option is open. Paul va au cinéma avec dash petite amie. So Paul va au cinéma avec, so Paul is third person singular, avec sa petite amie. Why? Because petite is feminine and amie, so if you just see the object, again it is feminine. Sa petite amie. Dash manteaux sont dans notre armoire. So manteau is third person plural, so you can use any of this. Mes, tes, ses. Since SONT is given, leur manteau can also be written. And one more thing is that notre, N-O-T-R-E. Notre armoire means, so you can use no manteau. Why? Because it is in their almirah. So notre manteau, N-O-S, no manteau sont dans notre armoire. So in this way you can complete this. Next we will move to exercise number 5, adjective demonstrative. So very simple one. Compléter avec l'adjectif démonstratif. So this exercise number 4 and 5 you have been seeing for last 2 years, that is from 6th standard and 7th standard. You have been learning this. So first one, I would like to tell you what is the difference between first dash and second dash. In first dash, avion, it is directly you have to use this adjective possessive. So for example, it is just a short recap. CE is masculine, CETT is feminine, CET is vowel, and CE S is plural. So avyam is starting with vowel. So you can use CET. But when it comes to the right side, okay, there is a adverb which is used. Either it may be adverb or adjective. Beautiful. So bel avion. So beautiful avion. So here CE should be used. Why? Because bel is the word which takes the place of an adjective. So we use masculine CE. Ce bel avion. So whenever it is in the left side, it is CET, and right side it is CE. Next one, cet hiver. Again CET, because hiver is vowel starting with H, but when it comes to this side, ce long hiver, CE. So that is one thing. And third one, Istwar. Istwar is feminine, so Seth, CETTE is the answer. Seth Istwar. But when it comes to the right side, S long Istwar, CES should come, because long Istwar, it is given in plural form. So the answer is CES. Dash robe, dash bell robe. So here it is CES, again here it is CES. Because for both of the side it is plural form. Fifth one is étudiante, so feminine. So if you see, the spelling differs. Étudiante. So feminine spelling is given. C'est étudiante. Dash étudiant sérieux. So if you see this again, c'est étudiant serious. So that is one thing. Adjective possessive, adjective demonstrative. So both are finished. Now we are going to exercise number 7, and then I'll come to exercise number 6. Even this exercise number 7, you have been learning from 7th standard. So that is nothing but preposition, how to use this and when to use this. So before starting, I'll just tell, since you have a pencil, you can mark like this. EN you should use for a feminine country. AU you have to use for a masculine country. And inside a country, if you want to locate any area, it should be A accent grave. And AUX for plural countries. Okay. So now we will get into this. Ils vont dash Tokyo dash Japan. So Tokyo is inside Japan. So à Tokyo, ils vont à Tokyo au Japon. So Japon is masculine. So I am writing au Japon. Next one. Je vais dash Mexico dash Mexique. So Mexico is masculine. Which is inside a Mexique. So a Mexico, and Mexique is, even though it is ending with E, it is a masculine country. So o Mexique. So next one is elle va au grec et en Allemagne. So this one is au grec masculine et en Allemagne feminine. Fourth one, I guess Greek is also feminine. So en grec et en Allemagne. Mes parents vont dash ont-ils, mais je vais aux États-Unis. So if you see ont-ils and États-Unis, both are plural countries. So AUX is the answer for both. Il habite à accent grave. À accent grave, à Genève, en Suisse. Swiss is feminine country, so en Suisse. Next, we are going to see adjective interrogative. This one we have a short discussion on page number 89. So before learning adjective interrogative, we must know what should be used, when should be used. So adjective interrogative, it is used for choosing things. For example, if you want to buy a dress, you can say I want this color instead of this color. So So which color do you want? It is the question. Since French is with masculine and feminine gender, we must use accordingly. So if it is a masculine one, you have to use QUEL for which. If it is feminine, you have to use QUELLE. Imagine you are buying a chemise. Chemise means shirt. So in such case, you have to use QUELLE because it is a feminine word. In case if you are buying a pantalon, pant, it is a masculine thing, so you have to use QUEL. This applies also for plural. So if it is plural, just add an S for both the sides. Either it is masculine or feminine, check and just add an S. So we'll see some examples based on this. The interrogative adjectives are cal, 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 cal. So all the four pronunciation is cal. The adjective cal agrees with the noun it modifies. Quel livre lis-tu? Quelle robe achètes-tu? So if you go through these words, so livre is masculine, plural, so you use QUELS. And robe is feminine, plural, so you use QUELLES. So this is the difference. So in this two sentence, cal is used as which book do you read or which dress do you want to buy. So here it takes the word called which in English. But if we go for the second examples, the only verb that separates cal from its noun is être. Whenever it is être, it is when you use this word with être verb, these are the sentences. Quel est votre nom? Quelle est la question? So quel is what? So here it is which book you choose, but here it is what is your name? What is the question? We cannot ask which is your name, which is the question. Okay, so here it takes the place of what. You can use like this: when être verb is used, this words turn as what in English, but être verb is not used, these verbs are said as which in English. Now we will go and solve exercise number 6. So here we are back to exercise number 6. So from the example we saw something, dash a ton nom, a dash a ton adresse. So now the thing is, which cal should be used? Quel est ton nom? Here masculine word, so QUEL must be used. QUEL. The second dash, quel est ton adresse? Address is feminine. QUELLE should be used here. QUELLE. This one, second one. Quelle heure allez-vous à l'école et avec dash ami? So quelle heure is feminine, so QUELLE should be used here. QUELLE. Et avec QUELS, quels amis, because here it is masculine plural. Third one, dash temps fait-il en avril et dash saison aimez-vous. So if you see this, quel temps fait-il, temps is masculine, QUEL, quel temps fait-il en avril, et saison is feminine, so QUELLE, quelle saison aimez-vous. Fourth one, dash chemise et dash pantalon portez-vous. So I already said chemise is feminine, so you have to use QUELLE. I guess you guys are writing with the pencil. So QUELLE et quel, QUEL, quel pantalon portez-vous. Dash amis invités, dash sont leurs prénoms. So first one is QUELLES and second one is QUELS, because prénom is masculine plural, here it is feminine plural. So QUELLES, and here it is QUELS. So that's it. So we are to the end of this session. So remaining things we will be seeing in live class. So your today's online test will be based on this 4 exercises. So kindly revise and keep yourself ready. So merci mes étudiants, bonne journée.